Are you tired of constantly replanting flowers every season? Do you dream of a garden that bursts with color year-round? In today's video, we'll explore the 14 longest flowering perennials that can transform your garden into a vibrant paradise. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started, these perennials are perfect for adding lasting beauty to your garden. Stay tuned to discover these enduring blooms that require minimal effort and offer maximum reward. 1. Geranium Rozanne. First on our list is the Geranium Rozanne. This stunning perennial is known for its long flowering season, from late spring to mid-autumn. With its deep blue flowers and lush green foliage, Geranium Rozanne adds a pop of color to any garden. It's also incredibly low maintenance and drought-resistant, making it an excellent choice for busy gardeners. 2. Echinacea purpurea, purple coneflower. Next up is the Echinacea purpurea, commonly known as the purple coneflower. This perennial is not only beautiful, but also beneficial for pollinators. Its vibrant purple petals and golden center attract bees and butterflies, ensuring a lively garden. Echinacea blooms from early summer to early fall, and is known for its resilience against pests and diseases. 3. Coreopsis verticillata, threadleaf coreopsis. The threadleaf coreopsis, with its bright yellow flowers, is a delightful addition to any garden. This perennial blooms from early summer to late fall, providing continuous color for months. It's also very hardy and can thrive in various soil conditions, making it a versatile choice for many gardeners. 4. Rudbeckia hirta, black-eyed Susan. Rudbeckia hirta, or black-eyed Susan, is another perennial known for its long blooming period. From midsummer to early fall, it produces stunning golden yellow flowers with dark brown centers. Black-eyed Susans are easy to grow and can handle a range of soil types, making them a popular choice for perennial gardens. 5. Hemerocallis, daylily. Daylilies are renowned for their extended blooming period. Although each flower lasts only one day, a mature plant can produce an abundance of blooms over several weeks or even months. Available in a wide array of colors, daylilies can brighten up any garden from early summer to late fall. 6. Salvia nemorosa, woodsage. Salvia nemorosa, or woodsage, is a perennial that offers striking spikes of purple flowers from late spring to early autumn. This hardy plant is drought-tolerant and deer-resistant, making it an excellent choice for low-maintenance gardens. Its long-lasting blooms also attract pollinators, adding to its appeal. 7. Phlox paniculata, garden phlox. Garden phlox is a classic perennial that provides a long season of color. Blooming from midsummer to early fall, its large clusters of fragrant flowers come in various shades of pink, purple, white, and red. Phlox paniculata is also a magnet for butterflies, enhancing the biodiversity of your garden. 8. Nepeta, catmint. Nepeta, or catmint, is a perennial favorite for its extended blooming season and aromatic foliage. Its lavender blue flowers appear from late spring to early autumn, attracting bees and butterflies. Nepeta is also drought-tolerant and deer-resistant, making it an ideal choice for easy-care gardens. 9. Gaillardia, blanket flower. Gaillardia, commonly known as blanket flower, is a cheerful perennial that blooms from early summer to mid-autumn. Its vibrant red, orange, and yellow flowers add warmth to any garden. Blanket flowers are heat and drought-tolerant, thriving in sunny locations with well-drained soil. 10. Penstemon, beardtongue. Penstemon, or beardtongue, is a striking perennial with tubular flowers that bloom from late spring to early autumn. Available in a variety of colors, including red, pink, purple, and white, penstemon attracts hummingbirds and adds vertical interest to garden beds. 11. Alchemilla mollis, lady's mantle. Lady's mantle is a charming perennial known for its frothy lime green flowers and scalloped leaves. Blooming from late spring to early autumn, Alchemilla mollis is perfect for adding a soft, romantic touch to your garden. It's also highly adaptable, thriving in both sun and shade. 12. Astrantia, masterwort. Astrantia, or masterwort, is a unique perennial with intricate star-like flowers. Blooming from late spring to early autumn, Astrantia adds a touch of elegance to any garden. Its long-lasting blooms are also excellent for cut flower arrangements, bringing beauty indoors as well. 13. Verbena bonariensis, tall verbena. Tall verbena is a standout perennial with its tall, airy stems topped with clusters of small, purple flowers. Blooming from midsummer to the first frost, Verbena bonariensis is a favorite among pollinators, particularly butterflies. Its delicate appearance belies its toughness and ability to thrive in various conditions. 14. Achillea millefolium, yarrow. Last but not least, Achillea millefolium, or yarrow, is a hardy perennial that blooms from early summer to early autumn. Its flat-topped clusters of flowers come in various colors, including white, yellow, pink, and red. Yarrow is drought-tolerant and deer-resistant, making it a reliable choice for any garden. There you have it, 14 longest flowering perennials that will keep your garden bursting with color throughout the seasons. From the resilient Geranium Rozanne to the striking Achillea Millefolium, these perennials are sure to bring lasting beauty to your outdoor space. Which of these perennials will you be adding to your garden? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!